City of Austin released $20 million in funding today to help some Austinites stay in their homes. It's part of the anti-displacement efforts in areas of the city within 1 mile of where Project Connect's rail lines will cut through.
Now, the city plans to spend $65 million in the first 2 years, with a total of $300 million over 13 years. But as KXAN's Tahara Rahman reports, there are still questions about how the money will get into Austinites' hands.
Therese Horn has seen many of her neighbors move out of the East Cesar Chavez area since she got here in 2007.
It's multiple factors. It's property taxes, it's the rental squeeze in general.
She says tax bills got passed on to renters who got priced out.
Keeping rents low enough for people to stay just hasn't been tenable. And as, more development has come in, it's just increased the number of people who want to come here, and so they're willing to pay more, and they do.
Horn lives in an area the city says has active displacement. The pink on this map. That means vulnerable populations live here, and there's an accelerating or appreciating housing market. The purple areas are where vulnerable people already have been displaced, and yellow means they're at risk.
$20 million is available for nonprofit organizations and partnerships to propose solutions that will support community innovation to address key housing challenges.
The city now wants community groups to help stop displacement around Project Connect lines, providing funding for programs like tenant stabilization. But activists say the money needs to be dispersed directly to Austinites.
Assistance with property taxes. The people that struggle with holding on to their homes because it's the property taxes that are getting to them.
Tahira Rahman, KXAN News.
The city's map was made in 2019, so there is a little bit of concern that many areas labeled as vulnerable have already seen that displacement, like the woman with whom we spoke tonight. Now, we've asked the city if they're considering increasing the $300 million given rising homes and rent and property taxes. We'll let you know when we hear back. The 2 light rails Cap Metro is planning to add to Austin is costing nearly double the original predicted cost. Last week we told you Cap Metro now estimates the cost at $10.3 billion. The original cost for 2 lines and a tunnel were expected to be under $6 billion. Many people commented on this story saying they're upset about the jump in costs. Cap Metro tells us those initial estimates were drafted when only about 5% of the design work was done. This new estimate is now based on 15%. Austin Mayor Steve Adler says the rest of the cost will depend on your feedback. To help with those decisions, there will be several public meetings in the next 2 months. The mayor says the tax rate will not go up. Cap Metro officials and the mayor say federal funding will help with the cost of the voter-approved project.